Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. We are going to take care of this hair. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, in today's video I will be trying a science experiment that Jaelah Majette here on YouTube tried on her hair, and we're gonna see if it could work for our color treated hair. I'm super excited to try it. So before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below because you'll be back for more, sis. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So Jaelah Majette is one of my favorite YouTubers. Like, she's just so bomb. Her personality is A1. But she tried a science experiment in her hair where she basically mixed different things that we put in our hair together, and she just saw what it did to her hair. I have color treated my hair. My hair is very dry right now. Like, look at it. It didn't even move. My hair is very dry right now. It's wash day. So I was like, why not go ahead and try this science experiment in our hair? So I went on Amazon this week. I purchased all of the things that I didn't have. And here we are today. We're going to try out the science experiment. So I have this bowl. I have a glass bowl. And this is basically what we're going to mix everything in. And the ingredients that I have most of the ingredients that she used. The only thing that she used that I don't have is yogurt. As you guys know, I don't eat dairy, and I haven't been to the supermarket, so I ain't got no yogurt, but we should be fine. So I have my baking soda. I have this big bag of baking soda because I use it in my hair, and I also use it on my teeth, pearly whites. And then we have the Bragg's liquid aminos. We have apple cider vinegar for the soul. Apple cider vinegar, also Bragg. And we have our Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. I just bought a new one of these because I ran out. And the last thing that she had in her video, and we're going to be a little ratchet, is she used olive oil. She had the extra virgin olive oil, but I ain't got none of that. But we got a little bit of this, so we're going to see if it works in it. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to start mixing everything. And in her video, she didn't really give us measurements because she was kind of just like freehanding it. So I'm going to do the same. I have very thick hair, so I feel like I'm going to need a lot, especially, it's basically like a Aztec clay mask treatment for your hair on crack. That's how I saw it when I was watching it. That's what I kept thinking. So I'm super excited to try this. My hair is very dry, so let us pray that this helps us add some moisture to the hair, because Lord knows my hair needs it. So I'm going to start off with the Aztec clay mask, and I'm going to go ahead and I use the sponge. And then now I'm going to go in with my apple cider vinegar. It smells so bad, but it's so good. Look at it bubbling. It's bubbling. It's bubbling. Got a bubble. Got a bubble. So we have that. And then I have this. I have a metal spoon, but we need a plastic spoon. I'll be right back. Oh, found a plastic spoon. So I have this little ratchet plastic spoon. You want to make sure you use a plastic spoon, no metal spoons, especially when you're doing, just make sure you're using a plastic spoon, no metal spoons. I have this little ratchet spoon. This is the closest thing I could find, but it's okay. I'm just going ahead and mixing the clay mask together. So this is basically the regular steps and regular portions for like just doing a clay mask in your hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up until it gets to a mixed consistency and we don't see any powder. I might need some more. I'm playing myself. My hair got so thick. I don't know if it's because I didn't see my hair so long when I had my knotless braids in, but my hair is thick now. Thick with 2 C's. Thick. She thick. So this is how much Aztec clay mask I have right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more. I'm gonna add some more. Ooh. I just cleaned my bathroom. I don't need any messes because it ain't getting cleaned again until next week. And then more apple cider vinegar. Okay. Get it. And I'm just gonna mix that up. I definitely made a mess. Okay, I think this is a decent amount. Then after that, she had went in with the baking soda. So this is my baking soda. I got the big John, the 3.5-pound John. So I'm gonna go with my metal spoon just to scoop some out. I'm gonna do like half of it. So I'm gonna take this much baking soda and just add it to our bowl. I think it was smart that I mixed the clay mask before putting the baking soda in. But I'm gonna, I think I could use a little bit more baking soda. Let's just add a little bit more. So I'm gonna go in with like a 1/4 of a spoon more bacon. Ooh, yeah. Look at what's happening. I don't know if y'all can see it. I know y'all can hear it. Ooh, okay, let me just add a little bit more. This is what I get from always wanting to add more. Right, and then I think she had put the olive oil in it to calm it down. So I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in it. Ooh. I feel like it's making more noise now. Alright, hurry up, mix this. And the last thing we have was our liquid amino. So I honestly never used this on my hair before. It said that it's an all-purpose seasoning with soy protein, and it's a natural soy sauce alternative. But you know, if it's good for the food, it's good for the hair. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do like, oh, this stinks. I'm gonna do like 1.5, just because it's protein. That stink. I don't even like soy sauce. Ooh, that reminded me why I don't like it. So this is how it's looking. This is our concoction. So before we apply it in, you want to cleanse your hair. I know in her video she had used the Texture ID clarifying shampoo, but I ain't got that. So I'm gonna use my Eden Body Works scalp cleanser. This is it. I think this is a great cleanser for my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair using this, and then we'll be back to apply our concoction to our hair. Okay, so I'm back. I went ahead and cleansed my hair using the Eden Body Works Papaya Castor Oil Cleanser, and this is our hair. Before we start off our science experiment, this is out here nice and cleansed. And I love that cleanser because it doesn't dry out my hair while cleansing it. A lot of shampoos and cleansers, they be leaving my hair a little dry or a lot of dry. So I F with that cleanser. Now I'm just gonna find some clips to separate my hair into 4 sections. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead. This is our mixture once again. Still looks the same. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a spoonful, probably too much. I'm gonna take this much and start applying it to this first section. It's so heavy. Oh my god, it smells. It smells so bad. Oh, why am I doing this? If this does not work in my hair, I'm going to be highly upset, disappointed, and y'all gotta go grocery shop. I was like, while I have this in my hair for an hour, I'm gonna go to a grocery store. Listen, I played myself, okay? I'm gonna have to wait. Stop and Shop gonna have to wait to see me. I'm gonna part my hair to make sure we get like the in-betweens. So this is how our first section looks after we applied it. So I'm going to go ahead and work it into the rest of the sections, and then I will be back. Alright, so I went through and I did like a first pass of my whole head. Let me take this down. I definitely feel like it's more moisturizing than the Aztec clay mask, because usually by now my hair would be hard with the Aztec clay mask. So first observation, but I made a little bit too much, but you know we don't waste no products, okay? So I have a bit left, so I'm gonna go ahead and work it into my hair. But yeah, I'm gonna smell like a walking soy sauce version of Storm, okay? Usually I went to the supermarket once with my Aztec clay mask again, but I told myself I won't do it again because people were just looking at me crazy. And in my head I'm like, yeah, it's just the Aztec clay mask, it's not that deep. And I'm just hoping that my hair don't fall out. Okay, so this is out here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a shower cap on and just let it sit for an hour, and then we'll be back in an hour. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's about an hour later now. I did laundry, I drank some tea, I cleaned up my room a little bit, and we're back now. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse this out, but I just wanted y'all to see my hair before I rinsed it out. I really think it's definitely more moisturizing than the Aztec clay mask, because if it was the Aztec clay mask alone, my hair would not be able to move right now. So that's one thing I really wanted to emphasize for anybody who hasn't tried the Aztec clay mask or doesn't prefer it, just because it's very drying on their hair. But this is how my hair looks before we rinse it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse my hair out. I'm just going to use water, just rinse it out. And then I'll be back to show y'all what my hair is looking like, if I got hair, if it don't fall off or whatever. And yeah, so I'm back. I went ahead and rinsed my hair out, and I'm gonna spin around so y'all can see how it's looking, so y'all can see what's going on, what's the vibe. Yeah, this science experiment that we did in our hair is probably the most moisturizing technique that I have ever tried, that has given me so much moisture before I deep condition. Like this, Jaelah, I don't know how you thought of doing this, but you smart, girl. You smart, okay? My hair is just so moisturized. My curls are popping. Volume is here. Color is nice and vibrant. And I honestly thought that it wouldn't do as much for me since I have color treated hair. I was completely wrong. But y'all, just look at my hair. Look at it. It's nice. It's moisturized. It's shiny. And I'm really in love. Like, I'm definitely going to try this again. And I would definitely recommend this over the Aztec clay mask. So for anybody who's interested, has questions about the Aztec clay mask, do this instead. Do this instead. My hair is like so much, my hair is just, it just feels so good. I'm so hyped. And my hair was so dry. Y'all saw what my hair looked like in the beginning of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and put a clip here just so y'all could be reminded of what we started off with. But y'all, look at my hair. It looks so good. The color looks amazing. I'm in love. I'm in love. Jaelah, you're a smart girl, okay? So I'm really in love. I am. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a deep conditioner after this, just because I haven't deep conditioned since I took my braids out. Don't judge me. My life has been ridiculous. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a deep conditioner now. But I just wanted to show y'all what this science experiment did to my hair. Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Did you guys try this already? Did y'all see her video? Like, are you guys gonna try it after watching this video? I think that y'all should try it. Especially if you have dry hair, I would definitely recommend this on your hair. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want all of my girls with dry hair to definitely try this out, because this, my hair just feels and looks so amazing. Like, I'm really like in awe, because I rinsed my hair out. I'm like, all right, my curls are about to be popping, and what else? But no, we got shine, we got volume, we have a lot of moisture. I'm really excited. I'm happy that I found this. I'm happy I tried this. Thank you, Jaelah. And yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel before you guys head out. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and drop comments down below. Let me know if you guys have any other questions as well. If I didn't answer anything in this video, comment down below and let me know. And until my next video, I will see you guys later.